What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to customize the design options or presets of WPBakery Page Builder WordPress plugin. So after all these years we keep learning more and more features of plugins on WordPress. So let's get this started. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics not just internet and sites favor. So let's get this started. The very first thing to do is make sure that you have WPBakery plugin installed. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over WPBakery Page Builder, and right here you're going to be able to see a couple of sub-menus: general settings, role, design, custom JS, maps, member, shortcode, grid builder, and about. So click on the design options, okay? And right here the very first thing to do is click into the enable button in order to be able to customize. And what you can do: main accent color, you can customize the main color of your plugin, okay? For example, the main color of your site. Hover color, what is the hover color that you would like to have? You can customize. Call to action background color, you can customize it as well. Google Maps background color, once again, it can be customized. Post slider caption background color, once again, you can customize it once as well. Progress bar background color, separator border color, tabs navigation background color, active tab background color, elementals bottom margin. So there is a lot of elements and features from WPBakery that you don't know how to customize colors, for example, and many persons use CSS for it, but you can customize it just right here. Elements bottom margin, grid, gutter, width, okay? Mobile breakpoint, this is a very important thing. So when the screen hits this size or less, it breaks for mobile site version. You can customize it, as well as desktop breakpoint or large desktop breakpoint. Both can be customized. After doing your change, you can hit the save change button. If you made some mistake, okay, if there is some problem on your setups, you always can click on the restore the full to make it come back as it used to be, just like this. Click OK, and we are restored for the full, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. In the case that you have any question, don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your page, your landing page. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more pro features to create the site of your dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!